Hello everyone, this is Harminder Singh Suri from Jetset Immigration, and today I have a very good news for you. Today is December the 31st and this news is coming from Ottawa. This is related to temporary residents inside Canada. Recently in July this year, the government announced a public policy saying, there are a lot of temporary residents who are not able to restore their status because of COVID, and they gave them until December the 31st to restore their status. They were being generous. And today, I think they realized that, December 31st is here and a lot of people are still not able to restore their status. So let's give them some extra time. And guess what? They gave you another 8 months. Whoa, that's a lot of generosity there. So anyone whose status is expiring or has expired between January the 30th, 2020 to May the 31st, 2021, they are eligible to restore their status, and they have up to August the 31st, 2021 to be able to do that. My friend, if you're someone who hasn't been able to do that, right, for any reason, right, and you think you need help of a legal advisor, then feel free to reach us on the number mentioned below, and our team will be more than happy to help you. We have helped a lot of people restore their statuses in the recent past, and we have got a lot of approvals, and I'm sure we will be able to help you too. So without wasting any time, I would recommend not to, I'm sorry to use this word, but you don't want to slack. Hey, the government has been generous. They've given you until August the 31st. Doesn't mean that you'll wait until August the 30th to apply for a restoration. Take the opportunity and encash it. I'll see you again with another video, with another update. There's a lot more movement coming in immigration, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can remain caught up with immigration related news. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with another video.